Okay, hi guys. I think like many of you know, the XAT response sheet has come out. This happens every year. At the start, they just give the response sheet. That is what you have actually answered. They don't give the answer key. So you can download the response sheet by going to the XAT page. You can enter your XAT ID and password and put in that captcha. You log in and then you will get the response sheet. You can post the link for it in our Cracku XAT Score Calculator. You can just Google search Cracku XAT Score Calculator. You'll get a page which is similar to this. You can input your data, that response sheet URL over here, and you can click submit, and you'll get the actual score. Now remember that this score is being calculated by the answer key that we have prepared. This is not the official answer key. So there will definitely be some changes to the answer key that we have actually made. You can already see there are, I think, around 1200 people who have submitted. This is slightly old. Okay, this 2200 people have actually submitted it. Now the toppers list also will be updated. One other thing I wanted to tell you is I think GK answers are definitely correct. Most of the quant answers will also be correct. We are again checking some of the answers for quant, but they are mostly correct. But there will definitely be variation with respect to verbal and DM questions. The answer keys that we are given are our initial thoughts, the initial answer key. In the evening today, maybe by around 6 p.m. or so, we will update the final answer key as far as Cracku is concerned. So you can definitely check it out. And if there is any answer that you feel strongly about, whether it is in verbal or DM or in quant, definitely do message below this video. I will look at all of those comments and we will let you know. With respect to the expected percentiles and all of those things, I think please wait for some time. Once we have more data, we can assess it better. So that is it for now. Let me just see the chat. If you have any doubts or queries, I will look at it. Okay, one sec, guys. Yeah, good afternoon, Taran. Yeah, I think there is nothing in the chat, but basically that is what I wanted to tell you. Especially with respect to the answer key, we are definitely sure of all the GK questions. For quant, we are mostly sure of nearly all of them, but there can be a change of one or two. Verbal and DM, basically we have used Sahili's answer key as most of the answers, so there can definitely be some variation. We're also discussing amongst our team, and then we will let you know. But as we were saying, that we will upload the final version of Cracku's answer key by 6 p.m. today. So you can definitely come and check it out at that point. Sir, your link is not giving correct info regarding response sheet. I couldn't find my response sheet. You can find your response sheet by going to the XAT page. There you have to enter your XAT ID and password and enter the captcha. You'll get a page like this. Once you click on login, you'll go to a different page where you will have the link for the response sheet. Once you get the link for the response sheet, you have to enter the link for the response sheet over here and click on submit. So that is it, guys. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Otherwise, we'll end the stream. Quants is showing wrong in link. Nipun is saying, how accurate is the score calculator? Like I'm telling you, we are definitely sure of the GK answers. For most of the quant answers, I think the answer that we have given will be correct. There are one or two questions which we are not 100% sure about. With verbal and DM, there can be some changes, but the final answer key, as far as Cracku is concerned, will be released at 6 p.m. today. Ayush is saying quants is wrong in the link. What do you mean by that, Ayush? What do you mean that quant is wrong? Are you finding that some of the questions are wrong, or are you getting any technical error where you're not able to upload? Anmol, okay, Anmol. From memory-based answer key, I could find 3 incorrect answers in quant, but the Cracku score calculator shows 6 incorrect. I think maybe the answers given in the memory-based might not be correct. Once the response sheet is out, I think these answers will be more accurate. But again, like I'm telling you, there can be some changes in quant, not a lot, but maybe 2 or 3 answers can change. In verbal and DM, the final answer key will be released at 6 p.m. today. Okay, guys, that is it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me below this video. I will definitely look at it and get back to you. We will do another live at maybe around 5 p.m. when the answer key is finalized. But answer key, we will upload the final one at around, say, 6 p.m. today. Sir, how reliable are the Cracku answers for DM and VLR? I would want to say very reliable, but I know that they are not, because we try our best, but there can definitely be many changes. But we are trying our best. Last year, I think there were around 5 or 6 answers that were changed. So there can be a difference. We are just trying from whatever we feel is the correct answer, we are going to put it. राघव शर्मा सिंह सर, आप लोगों की गलत है आंसर की। हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये आंसर की फाइनल नहीं है, ये आंसर की हमने बनाया है क्वेश्चंस देख के, तो डेफिनेटली हो सकता है कि हमारा आंसर्स कुछ गलत है, लेकिन उसका चांसेस जीके में 0 है, क्वांट में काफी कम है, लेकिन 1-2 हो सकते हैं। वर्बल और डीएम में उसका चांसेस ज्यादा है। Somebody is asking, I got 16, any chance it could cross 30 if your answers are long? I would actually say, unfortunately, those many answers changing is improbable. There can be some answers which will change, but not a lot of answers which will go wrong. Sir, I find there is some inaccuracy in the answers marked and the response sheet. Okay, Ansh, you're saying quants is not working. What do you mean by quants is not working? It's showing invalid credentials. Okay, Mohammed Mursal, I think you'll have to use the forgot password link to actually get your password again. Okay, guys, if you find any issue, please do let me know in the comments. We will look into it. Thanks.